If you've ever tried to sign up on Skool.com, Venmo, or even CashApp from Nigeria, then you understand the frustration of not being able to sign up on any of these platforms. You get excited to join a community or even use a tool or even receive payments as a freelancer. Then you click on the link or the application and you're hit with the error message. This service is not available in your region. I recently had a client invite me to join his school community for onboarding. I clicked the link and guess what? I saw blocked. Nigeria was restricted. I've also seen freelancers complain of payment platforms like Cash App and Venmo. Let's be honest. As freelancers in Nigeria or even Africa as a whole, we get excluded from a lot of things, not because we are not skilled, but because of our location. I just knew that there had to be a way out of this because imagine wanting to work with international clients and exploring your options to other countries and you are restricted just because you're in Nigeria or Africa. I started making research for tools that can help you log into other sites that are not available in your region. And that was when I stumbled upon GoLogin. You're probably hearing GoLogin for the first time. Same here. And that was why I decided to bring it to you all. GoLogin is a browser that helps you change your identity and IP address in just a click. Now, this is where it gets interesting. It gives you a new browser and routes your traffic through proxies. So you can appear like you're in the US, UK, or even Canada, wherever your work or your client needs you to be by location, you'll be there. In layman terms, think of it as having 10 devices in different locations on just your laptop. But this time, it is safe, it is fast, and it is secure. Here is how it works. Once you sign into GoLogin, you can create different browser profiles and assign proxy IPs. You can launch the profile and run different sites on the profile. You can even change your proxy to a different location proxy on the same profile. You will also be assigned new IP addresses as you switch locations. You can also invite team members to your GoLogin workspace. The best part, you receive 2 gigabytes of proxy data when you create a GoLogin account and start your 7-day free trial. That's more than enough for you to test out access blocked sites or automation tools that require you to change an IP address. For those of us who are freelancers or even use AI tools, GoLogin is more than just unblocking sites. Now, this is gologin.com website. You can see it tells you where to download. It has detected your kind of laptop and it will tell you what to where to download it. I'm using Mac, that's why it's telling me I can download from Mac. And you have 7-day free trial. But if you use my referral link, you get 40% discount and you also get 2 gigabyte free proxy to use. But before I walk you through how to use it, I just want us to access some sites and see that on the normal browser you can access it. Can you see Skool? I can't access it. Let's do Venmo login and let's see. You can see it's saying 403 forbidden. So using GoLogin, I'll now be able to log into this site. So let me show you how. If you've set up your GoLogin account, this is how it's going to look for you. And this is where you can add your profile. So I can click here and name my profile maybe Venmo. And let's try to run Skool and you will see that it did not run before. This is where you choose your proxy. You come here and choose a different location and different proxy you want. You can see different things here. You can even add your own proxy. If you want to add your own proxy and you don't want to use the one that is available here, you can add your own here. So I'm going to run, this is already in United States. I'm going to run skool.com and I want you to see that it has given me my own browser. You can see I named my profile Skool and it's showing here. It is giving me my own browser and it is showing here. Can you see? I'm able to access skool.com now. If I also click on Venmo and I try to sign in, I will no more get the 403 forbidding anymore. And okay, this one is saying login. So let's try to sign up and let's see. You can see that 403 is no more showing here. That is what it can do for you. So it gives you your own browser and not your regular browser so that it cannot be tracked or flagged. You can run different profile browsers at the same time, like Venmo, these. So if I check now, if you check below my tab, you can see the Skool browser profile is the one showing here, and I can open as many browsers on it. If you see this one, Venmo, you can see it's Venmo. So you can run multiple browser profiles at the same time without worrying about anything. So you can run different things, and you can always, rename your browser to whatever it is that you feel like. Okay, you don't like the name, you can rename it to Adeze. And there you have it. So if you have multiple clients, you can always maybe put LinkedIn slash your client's name, Facebook slash your client's name without even having to think or get confused as to whose profile is what. And you can always come here. I could choose United States today. Tomorrow I want another one. I could go and choose France. And for every time I'm changing, the IP addresses are also changing. I can choose United Kingdom today, and you keep seeing that you'll be assigned new IP addresses for every time you're switching. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use VPN like ProtonVPN or NordVPN? Well, here is why GoLogin is on another level. VPNs change your IP addresses true, but they don't change your browser fingerprints. Sites like Skool.com, Venmo, and other apps can still suspect suspicious activity with that same VPN because you're using the same device. GoLogin also creates completely separate browser environments, so your sessions don't clash or raise red flags. If you want to try out GoLogin, sign up using my referral link that is displayed on the screen, or you can use my referral link in the description below. Then, if you use my promo code ADEZE40, you get a 40% discount on your first payment on the platform. Make sure you don't forget that you get 2 gigabytes of free proxy data for just creating your account with them. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever been blocked before from using a site just because of your location or IP address. What tool was that? What application was that? Will you also be using GoLogin to try out those tools again to see if you can access them? When you try out GoLogin, I would love for you to come back and share your experience with me on how it went for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with your freelancing community or your freelancing friends that are having trouble signing up on sites that their IP addresses are being blocked so that they can share in this good news with you. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.